Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's a lifesaver for frequent flyers. How to use your JetBlue Airways flight credit in 2025. Whether you snagged that credit from a canceled flight, a promotion, or a loyalty reward, I'll guide you through the process step by step. It's easier than you might think, and by the end of this video, you'll be booking your next trip like a pro. First off, make sure you're logged into your JetBlue account. If you don't have one, hop over to the JetBlue website and create it quickly. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're in, head to the My Trips or Travel Funds section. Here, you'll see all your available flight credits listed, including any details like the amount and expiration date. Remember, with updates for 2025, JetBlue might have streamlined this even more, so keep an eye out for any new features. Next, it's time to pick your flight. Use the search tool on the JetBlue site or app to find the destinations you're dreaming of. When you select your flights and move to the booking page, look for the Apply Credits or Payment Options section. This is where the magic happens. Enter your credit code if prompted, or select it directly from your account balance. JetBlue's system is user-friendly, so it should apply automatically if everything's up to date. Double-check the breakdown. Your credit will reduce the total cost, but you might still owe taxes, fees, or the difference if the new flight is pricier. A handy tip for 2025. Always verify the expiration date on your credit to avoid surprises. Many credits now last longer, but it's best to use them ASAP. If you're booking for a group, note that credits might have restrictions, so read the fine print. Once you're satisfied, hit confirm, and voila, your booking is complete. You'll get a confirmation email with all the details. If you hit any snags, JetBlue's customer support is top-notch and available 24/7. There you have it, folks. Using your JetBlue flight credit is straightforward and can save you a bundle. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more travel hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.